In round 10, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a set of 5 single crochets, 1 decrease twice, finally end with 1 slip stitch. Put 1 chain stitch first, then work 5 single crochets and 1 decrease as one set. Work 5 single crochets, then work 1 decrease. The first set is done. Please finish one more set by yourself. Work 5 single crochets and 1 decrease as one set. Two sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 10 is done. Break the white yarn. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Tear the fiber to make it fluffy, and then stuff the fabric with fiber fill. Please finish this step by yourself. This should be what it looks like when it's done. We'll continue to crochet, put the hook back to the loop, and tighten the loop. In round 11, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a set of 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets twice, finally end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as one set. Work 2 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. Then work 2 single crochets. We have demonstrated one set. Please finish one more set by yourself. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as one set. Two sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 11 is done. In round 12, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work a cycle of 3 single crochets, 1 decrease twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 3 single crochets and 1 decrease as one set. Work 3 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. We have demonstrated one set. Please finish one more set by yourself. Work 3 single crochets and 1 decrease as one set. Two sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 12 is done. The stitches for rounds 13 to 28 are the same. We'll demonstrate round 13. Please finish rounds 14 to 28 by yourself. In round 13, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 8 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, then work 8 single crochets. Eight single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 13 is done. Please finish rounds 14 to 28 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 8 single crochets and 1 slip stitch for each round. Round 28 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. And then pull the yarn tail out. One arm is completed. Please crochet 3 more arms with the corresponding yarn in the same way.